all is you, who are you really? This question, seemingly simple, echoes through the corridors of your mind, touching the deepest recesses of your soul. It's a question that has been asked by sages, philosophers, and seekers of truth for millennia. The answer, however, is not found in your name, your job, or your personal history. These are but fleeting reflections of your temporary form. To truly understand who you are, you must embark on a journey beyond the confines of your ego, into the boundless expanse of pure awareness. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Allow the external world to fade away and direct your attention inward. Imagine peeling away the layers of your identity like an onion, stripping away the roles you play, the beliefs you hold, the memories you cherish. What remains when all these layers are removed? Who are you at your core? When all that defines you in this world is stripped away, you are the silent witness, the consciousness that observes without judgment, without attachment. This awareness, this pure, unconditioned consciousness, is the essence of who you are. It is not limited by time or space, not bound by the constraints of your physical body or your mind. It is the eternal presence that pervades all of existence, the divine essence that animates all of life. There is only you. Let us go deeper. Imagine for a moment that this awareness, this pure consciousness, is the only thing that exists. There is only you. You are the singular infinite consciousness that encompasses all of reality. Every thought, every emotion, every experience arises within you like waves on the surface of an infinite ocean. In this boundless expanse of awareness, there is no separation, no division. Everything that exists is a manifestation of you, an expression of your infinite nature. The stars in the sky, the mountains, the rivers, the animals, the people, all are reflections of your divine essence. There is no other, no separate beings. There is only you, expressing yourself in a myriad of forms. As you contemplate this truth, feel the boundaries of your individual identity begin to dissolve. You are not a separate self, isolated and alone in a vast universe. You are the universe itself, the infinite consciousness that gives rise to all of existence. You are the creator and the creation, the observer and the observed, the knower and the known. The ego hides your true essence. But if this is your true nature, why do you experience yourself as a separate individual? The answer lies in the ego, the sense of a separate self that arises within you. The ego is a necessary part of your human experience, a tool that allows you to navigate the physical world, to interact with others, to learn and grow. But it is also the veil that hides your true essence, the illusion that creates the appearance of separation. The ego is like a mask that you wear, a persona that you adopt in order to play your part in the grand drama of life. It is shaped by your experiences, your beliefs, your desires, and your fears. It tells you that you are a separate individual, distinct from others, with a unique identity and a personal story. But this is not who you really are. It is merely a role that you play, a temporary form that you assume. To see through the illusion of the ego, you must look beyond the surface, beyond the mask. You must turn your attention inward to the awareness that lies beneath. When you do, you will discover that the ego is not something to be destroyed or rejected, but something to be understood and transcended. It is a part of you, but it is not the whole of you. It is a tool, but it is not the master. How to understand that there is only you? How can you come to understand that there is only you, that all of existence is a manifestation of your infinite consciousness. The key is to cultivate a state of awareness, to become the silent witness of your thoughts, your emotions, and your experiences. When you do, you will begin to see the patterns and the illusions that create the appearance of separation. Start by observing your thoughts without judgment, without attachment. Notice how they arise and pass away, like clouds in the sky. Notice how they create the sense of a separate self, the ego. But also notice that you are not these thoughts. You are the awareness in which they arise. You are the sky, not the clouds. Next, observe your emotions in the same way. Notice how they ebb and flow, how they come and go. Notice how they shape your experience, how they influence your perception of yourself and the world. But also notice that you are not these emotions. You are the awareness in which they arise. You are the ocean, not the waves. As you continue to observe, you will begin to see that everything you experience arises within you, within your awareness. The thoughts, the emotions, the sensations, the experiences, all are manifestations of your infinite consciousness. There is no separation, no division. There is only you, living as an awakened being with your ego. So what does it mean to live as an awakened being, knowing that there is only you, while still navigating the world with your ego? It means living from a place of deep understanding and compassion, recognizing the divine essence in yourself and in all beings. It means embracing your role in the grand drama of life, while knowing that it is just a role, a temporary form. Living as an awakened being means seeing the ego for what it is, a tool, a mask, a persona, and not being attached to it. It means using the ego to navigate the physical world, to interact with others, to fulfill your responsibilities, but not letting it define you. You are not the ego. You are the awareness that transcends it. It also means recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings, the unity of all life. When you know that there is only you, you see that every being is a reflection of your own consciousness, a manifestation of your own essence. You see the divine in everyone and everything, and you respond with love, compassion, and understanding. Living as an awakened being means embracing the paradox of existence, the duality and the unity, the form and the formless, the temporary and the eternal. It means celebrating the diversity of life, the myriad forms that you take, while knowing that all are expressions of your infinite nature. It means living fully, joyfully, and authentically, knowing that you are the creator and the creation, the observer and the observed, the knower and the known. Take a moment to reflect on the journey you have undertaken. You have traveled from the confines of your individual ego to the boundless expanse of your true essence. You have discovered that you are not a separate self, but the infinite consciousness that encompasses all of existence. You have seen through the illusion of the ego and recognized the divine presence that you truly are. Take this revelation with you as you return to your daily life. Let it guide your thoughts, your actions, your interactions with others. Let it remind you of your true nature, your divine essence. Let it inspire you to live from a place of love, compassion, and wisdom. You are the only thing that exists, the one consciousness, the divine essence that pervades all of reality. And in this truth, you find your greatest freedom, your deepest peace, your boundless joy. Thank you for listening, Divine Being. May you always remember the truth of who you are, and may you always live in the light of your divine essence.